Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how you can retrofit a light, a warning light like this. Not just a light that comes and stays on, but a light that flashes. This grew out of necessity because for my doorstep warning, I had initially installed a buzzer, but it's very, very annoying. Terrible sound. It's constant, sounds very amateurish. And sometimes you have retracted the door, but it hasn't gone back fully. It's still safe, but it makes this annoying sound just as you're trying to drive off. So I've been able to replace that very easily with a flashing light. So stay tuned whether you're a car owner or a van owner and you just need to have some sort of a flashing warning. So I use this. It's a flashing capacitor that's used for the left and right turns of cars and motorbikes. Purchased this very inexpensively on eBay, and the connections or wiring is very, very simple. It's only got two connections. One is labeled B and one is labeled L. B is for battery, so that's the side that you connect to the fuse. The L is the side that you will connect to the positive of your light. And of course, the other end of your light, the negative part of your LED light, will connect to your car chassis, which is the negative. And so when power flows, it'll flow intermittently. So it's as simple as that. And if you found this useful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Now I'll go into a little bit more about how it was installed on the dashboard. It'll be different depending on your own vehicle. This is a Fiat Ducato. The Fiat Ducato comes off, the panel comes off quite easily. It's just two screws that hold it in place. I have other videos which cover that. Okay, so I've made a 12mm hole here, and this is the light unit that I've chosen. So I have soldered the wire here. So let's push this through here. That comes through like that. And then I need to just put on the end of it, pop that through. That's it. Very short video today, and so I'd like to end this video with some footage, some beautiful drone footage at dusk in Fremantle. Hope you enjoyed. So don't forget to click and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.